After 60, one nutrient inside your eye begins to disappear faster than your body can replace it. It is the only reason blur happens. Not age, not genes. One missing thing, and it is sitting in your kitchen right now. My name is Master Kenji. I am a monk, and I am also a trained medical doctor. For decades I have studied both ancient healing traditions and modern medicine. And the one thing both have taught me about vision is this: the eye does not simply wear out, it runs out. There is a difference. When something wears out, it is gone forever. When it runs out, you can refill it. Most people are never told this. They are handed a stronger prescription and sent home. The blur returns in 6 months. The prescription gets stronger again. The cycle continues. And nobody stops to ask why the blur keeps coming back. Inside your eye, there is a very small area called the macula. Think of it as the center of your camera lens. Everything sharp, everything detailed, the face of someone you love across a dinner table, words on a page, road signs at night, the expression on a grandchild's face. All of it depends entirely on the macula working correctly. And the macula is protected by 2 specific nutrients, lutein and zeaxanthin. These are not vitamins you hear about every day, but they are the most critical nutrients your eye possesses. They form a physical protective layer inside the retina itself, a living filter. They absorb blue light before it can burn the delicate cells underneath. They neutralize oxidative damage that accumulates every single day from screens, sunlight, and the simple constant act of seeing. After 60, the body's ability to maintain this filter slows down dramatically. Most people over 60 are already deeply depleted. The blur in the morning that takes too long to clear, the dryness and grittiness by afternoon, the halos around headlights at night, the struggle to read fine print, even with glasses on, these are not signs that your eye structure has permanently failed. They are signs that your filter has thinned, and a thinned filter can be rebuilt. This is not opinion. This is what the research shows, and what I have seen confirmed in patients over and over again. The single most powerful food for rebuilding this filter is something almost everyone already has in their kitchen: the egg. Not the white, the yolk. Research published in clinical nutrition journals has confirmed that the lutein inside an egg yolk reaches the retina far more efficiently than the lutein in any vegetable, including spinach, kale, and broccoli. The reason is simple. Lutein is fat soluble. It requires fat present in the digestive system to cross into the bloodstream. The egg yolk already carries its own fat, so the moment you eat it, the delivery system is already working. Your body does not have to hunt for the fat. It is already there. Studies found that eating just 1 to 2 eggs per day raised blood lutein levels by 26 to 30% within a matter of weeks. That is not a small number. That is your filter being rebuilt layer by layer every single day. But there is one preparation mistake that destroys most of this benefit before it can reach your eye: high heat. When you cook an egg yolk until it is firm, dry, and rubbery, the lutein structure breaks down. The protective compounds you are relying on are fragile. They respond to temperature. A soft scrambled egg, a poached egg, an egg cooked gently over low heat, these preserve what your retina needs. A hard fried egg, fully cooked through, gives you far less. 2 eggs every morning, cooked soft and gently, is not just breakfast. It is targeted nutrition for the most light-sensitive tissue in the human body. Pair those eggs with something green: spinach, kale, collard greens, or any dark leafy green, cooked lightly in a small amount of olive oil. Do not eat them raw if your primary goal is eye health. Cooking breaks down the plant cell wall that physically locks the lutein inside the leaf. Raw spinach releases very little of it. Lightly cooked spinach releases up to 4 times more. The olive oil acts as a carrier, picking up the fat-soluble lutein and transporting it into your bloodstream. Together, the egg and the cooked greens create a nutritional combination that no supplement can fully replicate because the nutrients arrive inside whole food, wrapped in the exact compounds your body already knows how to absorb. Add corn or yellow peppers to your meals when you can. These carry zeaxanthin, the partner nutrient that works alongside lutein in the macula. They do not perform the same job. Where lutein protects the outer ring of the macula, zeaxanthin concentrates at the very center. The fovea, the single most precise point of vision you have, the place responsible for reading, recognizing faces, threading a needle, seeing detail. When zeaxanthin is depleted at the fovea, central vision softens. Things that should be sharp are not. Adding corn, yellow peppers, orange vegetables, or kiwi fruit to your weekly diet replenishes zeaxanthin consistently. Together, lutein and zeaxanthin rebuild the complete filter, not one half of it, all of it. Within 30 to 60 days of eating this way consistently, 2 soft eggs in the morning, lightly cooked greens alongside yellow and orange vegetables through the week, most people notice real changes. The morning blur clears faster. Eyes feel less strained and dry by afternoon. Sensitivity to bright light and glare begins to reduce. These are not placebo effects. These are the direct result of the macula receiving what it has been starved of. There is also something happening every evening in most households that silently destroys this progress. The hour before sleep is the most important repair window your eye has. During deep sleep, the macula actively rebuilds its lutein and zeaxanthin layer. It processes the nutrients consumed during the day and deposits them where they are needed most. But blue light from phones, tablets, televisions, and laptop screens floods the retina at precisely this repair window and disrupts the process before it can complete. The macula cannot repair and receive blue light simultaneously. One stops the other. Over months and years, this nightly disruption accumulates into blur that no prescription fully corrects because the root damage was never addressed. Putting screens away 45 minutes before sleep is not optional if you are serious about protecting what remains of your vision. Many people also make the mistake of drinking coffee or tea immediately after their morning eggs. Tannins in both drinks bind to the minerals and carotenoids in food and physically block a portion of their absorption. Wait at least 30 minutes after eating before your first cup. This one adjustment alone increases how much lutein and zeaxanthin actually reaches your bloodstream from everything you just ate. Understand what is happening in the bigger picture. Your macula is a living tissue. It responds to what you feed it. It is not frozen at whatever state it is in today. The blur you are experiencing right now is the result of years of depletion, but depletion is reversible. Slowly, consistently, with the right nutrients arriving in the right form every day, the filter rebuilds. The sharpness returns, not all at once, not overnight, but steadily, the way anything real is restored. 2 soft eggs tomorrow morning. Lightly cooked greens alongside. Screens off before sleep tonight. That is where this begins. Not in a pharmacy, not in an eye clinic waiting room. In your kitchen, tonight, with one decision that costs almost nothing and changes everything.